Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you some more foam rolling alternatives. So, if you really enjoy this one, like I did, like I used to absolutely love this, you just roll yourself out and just go up and down the back. It does feel amazing, it does feel lovely. But what I always used to find used to happen with me is whenever I was going over my upper back, I always got these big massive crunches. It was like grunk, 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 whenever I was going over, which felt amazing at the time. But again, my overhead mobility never got better, and my overhead squat never felt better, and I always just felt like I needed that all the time. When I started getting better at the rotations, the thoracic rotations that are part of the simplistic mobility method, that clicking and stuff started to go away. So actually learning how to open up my chest and open up my ribs and create more range of motion myself under my own power made a much better difference to that. So I can happily hop down and do that now, and I don't get the cracks anymore or the crunches, and my upper back feels a lot better and my shoulders feel a lot stronger for it. Not to say that this still doesn't feel nice, and I don't still do it, because I do, it still feels nice like I said, but it's much more important to have more control over your upper back rather than just reaching for the roller. Okay guys?